Yo, what is up, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today we're here with Valiant and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with a song called Darkness. Alright? So, I'm gonna jump in that one there, level off with the G them I say. Go forward and hear these two bad artists. Big up La Bass, big up Valiant. Let's go.
Yo, drop top
Records.
Peace of mind is an important thing,
London,
dog.
England.
Nah, make nobody break that, you see it.
I'm gonna say Birmingham, London, England. No, Birmingham, London, and London. Come on, man. England, man. Come on, man. Not do that something, man. You know better, you know, so do better, you know. Let's go.
It is an important thing, dog.
Drop that, big up yourself.
Nah, make nobody break that, you see it.
Fully done.
I'm a camera, them tell me how to live. Come and know the world where I live in. Yo, Valiant. Yo, yeah, real tears in my eyes. Real love never highlight. Me no bring nice. The matic I got price right. Fire stick I got skinny. Anything I drive by, you don't know about my life. I got alone, me talk to about my choices.
We know La Bass is known for these tracks. We know La Bass is known for these dark tracks, like these deep meds tracks. You see me? So when the Bass sing about him life story, it's nothing new here. It's nothing new here. It's just La Bass being La Bass. Bad artist.
Price right. Fire stick I got skinny. Anything I drive by, you don't know about my life. I got alone, me talk to about my choices. You know what's mine on my mind. Darkness by night. With a dark lamp for me up. Money. Them two fears. Sister love but you years. Corrupt. Fed up. Girl I change for no change jealousy.
Oh.
Sister love but you years. Corrupt, fed up. Girl I change for no change jealousy. Come round in the family. Me see bad bro switch. Y'all round me. Jealousy rise, them can't control it.
It's a bad bro switch. So people who him thinks it was his bad bro switch. Before that year, Valiant said, girl, switch up and be things. Everyday thing that in a today's society. It's been going on for a long generations, but it's getting more obvious. You can't trust humans, you can't trust people around you. And La Bass don't tell you them thing already. So this not new, like me said, the message is not new, yeah.
No love me rather than lonely. Me no neutral warrior from Boonty. Darkness by night. With a dark lamp for me up. Money. Them two fears. Sister love but you years.
La Bass, Valiant melodies, them can't hide, bro. Like when you hear them melody, there you know see how that is Valiant. You see me? The man vocal range just out of this world, like different, dog.
Overthink too much, but people move shady.
So it's like it's a scene. So when them are reason with each other, you know. So Valiant are telling say yo him overthink too much. People move crazy.
Overthink too much, but people move shady.
Yeah, shady.
From the Benz park up, every girl want near me. Yeah.
So before the Benz, basically I say before the Benz and before the hype and before the catchy yacht. But now, Benz park up, every girl want draw near, every girl there.
From the Benz park up, every girl want near me. Yeah. Me a meds too deep and a kill for me happiness. Yeah, if she want love, then kill for me happiness. From the Benz park up, every girl want near me. Yeah. Me a meds too deep and a kill for me happiness.
I kill for my happiness.
Yeah, if she want love, tell her talk up. Hope she down there run and a dog up.
If you want love, talk up, mama. That's it there. Darkness per night with a dark Bad track, you know, man.
No drop top. You know, natural living on a cycle, you know. From them sell it once, then me do it again, say, you know.
Once bitten, twice shy. Let me do it again, man. Let me do it already now. Watch them.
Officer, I chop line, you know, man.
Plug out this son.
Like me say, in the starting, after reaction, yeah, Labas is known for this type of stuff. So if you see Valiant, I deliver them track here and I deliver it so damn well. I'm not saying that this is the first time doing it, because if you check his catalog, I'm sure him have something in it. I haven't checked his catalog apart from the ad song. I am one of those. I am sorry. I haven't had time to check your catalog with you like that, bro. So big up yourself though. Your time now. Let me keep saying Labas. Brother, there's nothing to say about Labas. Labas is just Labas, bro. Like, Labas ratings is omnipotent. Wait a second. Yeah, we're gonna say Labas. We're gonna say Valiant. Bad message. Drop top. Video production bad. As usual. Video production bad, bro. And see the one of the video in a black and white and it's still that send a message there. Sick, bro. It's sick. It's sick. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Anyway, this is Michael Lee. If you enjoy the one and want some more, please leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Alright? Peace out.